Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa and today is another video of sewing and DIYs. I hope you watch till the end of this video and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Today's video, I will show you how to sew a simple kids dress from old jeans. Let's start sewing. So this is the old jeans that I will be using, and the first thing that I will do is to deconstruct it so I will know how much fabric I can use. This is the pattern that I will be doing. And this is the same pattern which I cut according to the size I will make. Now I will trace and cut the pieces of the jeans using this pattern. So these are now the cut parts for the dress. These are the front and back bodies of the dress, and these are the back and front skirt of the dress with the pocket. I also cut these pieces of lining for the bodies. Now I will sew together the front part of the bodies as well as the front lining. Then after that, I will attach it together. While sewing, I'm also doing zigzag stitch on the side edges of the jeans. After sewing together the front bodies, I also did top stitch. Now I'm stitching the bodies and the lining right side facing together. Then I made cuts on the curves, flip and did top stitch. And this is the front bodies looks like. Now for the back bodies, I will sew it with the lining right side facing together. I also did zigzag stitch on all the side edges of the jeans. After sewing the lining and the bodies together, I made cuts on the curves and flip and did top stitch as well. So this is the front and back bodies of the dress. Now I will sew it facing together on the sides and on the shoulders. And this is how it looks like after. Now I will sew the front part of the skirt together with the pocket. I'm making cuts again on the curves and flip and then again did top stitch. After sewing the pockets, I also did zigzag stitch on the raw edges. So this is the two sides of the front skirt with the pockets. Now I will sew it facing right side together. Then again, after sewing together, I also did top stitch. And this is the front skirt looks like. Now I will sew together the back part of the skirt. Again, I am doing zigzag stitch on the side edges. And also, I did top stitch after sewing together the back part of the skirt. So this is the front and back part of the skirt. Now I will sew it facing right side together on the sides. Okay, so our bodice and skirt are ready. Now I will sew and attach it together. I also did zigzag stitch on the raw edges after sewing the bodice and skirt together. Then after that, I did top stitch as well. And the dress looks like this. On the lower part of the skirt, I will just fold it twice and do a simple hem. Then after that, I decided to make a simple embroidery on the front bodice of the dress. It is done and this is the final look.